over me. Why can't you see?
Ready? All in pink.
Are you excited, mother? I think will be nice, right? How long you'll drink, mommy? Far out.
Volunteered for street sweeping programs across Malaysia, undergraduate study projects, and engaged in meaningful discussion. Person with a background.
Something that says everything that needs to go. Can I do it
Slowly, slowly. You
myself?
must do it slow. One more thing, baking powder. Hey guys, so I'm back to my room and I had a pretty long evening. So we were baking earlier and my niece came over. It was a very good day, but I'm actually getting so tired and the time is almost 11:20. I'm gonna call it a night. I'm gonna change to my PJs, watch something on Netflix, and then I'm just gonna chill and sleep. Tomorrow I have an event. I got an event invite with Benefit, invited me for their Precisely franchise. I guess there's 2 new product that's being launched tomorrow, so I've already done my RSVP, and yeah, tomorrow morning I'm gonna just have a very chill day and then get going by 11 o'clock. The event is about 1 in the afternoon, so it's either I'm gonna carpool with my brother or I'm gonna drive there. Either way, we'll see about that tomorrow, but for now I really gotta unwind myself because I'm very tired. So I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow. So this is my outfit, you guys. I wore this beautiful orange abaya. I got this from Shein and I'm going to match it and pair it with this bag from H&M. So I'm gonna carpool with my brother. He has work around Bangsa, which is same place with the event space. So yeah, I'm super happy with the way my entire outfit turned out to be. I feel like I look really amazing, and yeah.
Walking downtown and I'm okay. He's got it all figured out. It's what they all say, yeah. Every boy's thinking that I'm different. Every boy's thinking that I'm different. But I don't really care what they all say. It's easier said than done. That guy trying to live through but you are my anxiety. It's more than a feeling. You were never meant for me. But now I gotta keep it.
What are you doing, recording?
Eyes on me, I don't know what to do, so I smile and I wave.
Hey guys, I am finally back home. It was such a long ride. So like I said, I carpooled with my brother and he had a couple of meetings. By the time he was done, it was actually very late. The plan was to move from Bangsa at about 5 in the evening, but we actually ended up leaving at 6 and it was the prime time. Like, we stuck in traffic for almost 1.5 hours actually, and I just reached home and it's actually 8:20, and it's honestly one of the longest ride, but it's actually nice because I rarely meet this brother of mine and it's actually so nice to just connect with him, talk to him, just check and find out what's actually going on in his life. You guys may not often see him on my stories on my Instagram because he keeps his life very private, so I'm just going to respect that. The initial plan is actually to have this vlog extended until my 2 other events next week, but I think because I made this a lengthy vlog, it's going to be like part of like a bit of a silent vlog, and then I'm going to talk back and forth, so on and so forth. So I was thinking I'm going to end this vlog today, but we're going to meet in my next vlog since it's 2 different events, one day after the other. So I'm just going to be more productive in that manner. So I want to have a separate vlog altogether so I can focus more, have a new agenda, and have a new outlook in my vlogs. So this is what I received from Benefit. They actually gave this cute PR, and inside of it is actually the 2 new launch brow products, the Precisely My Brow Detailer and Precisely My Brow Wax. Cute little packaging for all of this that they have given. It is so generous of them to give me brow product, and I love to do my brow. I think my brow is like the main highlight of my feature. I truly love them, so I love styling them with great products, and I know Benefit is one of them. I use Benefit quite a lot for my brows, like Precisely My Brow Pencil. I'm in the shade of 4, and it's actually good because it blends with my natural dark shade, so I don't go really dark. I just have 1 shade lighter, so it looks amazing. It was so nice to catch up with my friend Ash, and we went ahead, we broke our fast and just had a very chilled evening, and I came back home now. It is super heavy rain, and all I want to do is just be very comfy at this point. So I want to say thank you guys for joining me in my vlog. I really love and enjoy doing this vlog for you guys. So I'm gonna see you in my next event. Yeah, miss me. Bye.